Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. Thank you for joining in again on this channel. So today I will show you how to copy APKs locally to your server using the Playomatic post generator plugin. So this plugin is able to copy APK files to your server and to allow your website visitors to download these files directly from your server. So let me go ahead and configure the plugin to allow this. So I want to import from page 1 from APK mirror. Let's import only one post for demonstration purposes only. And here in the settings, you will have to configure the plugin in two places. So the first place is click and check the copy APKs locally to server checkbox. And the second thing you need to do is use this shortcode, item download link, or alternatively item download button. So the item download button will create a button that your visitors will be able to click and to download content, while the item download link will output only a link to the download location of the APK. So in this case, let's use directly the item download button and replace the item read more button, which will link to the Play Store page of the APK, and replace this with the item download button, which will allow visitors to download the APK. So let's save settings now. Let's go to our test site. It's empty, and now let's import a post. Importing a post now takes a bit longer because the APKs are pulled from the server, copied locally, and stored on your server storage, and it is already finished. Now let's go to the page, and all we have to do is refresh the site and check results. Here it is. And here the download button, we can go ahead and check it, and the APK will be copied to the location where the visitor selects it. So if the visitors come in, click download, and they will be served the APK file directly. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I will link in this video's description the location where you will be able to find the Playomatic plugin if you haven't got it yet. And until next time, thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please subscribe to this channel because I really appreciate your support by subscribing. And please hit also the bell notification because I create each day one new video and I publish it here on this channel at 8 p.m. GMT. So thank you for everything. Have a nice day. Bye bye.